right, man, let's hop in, man. You already know this is gonna be a crazy, crazy ride. Let's get it. It's gonna be a crazy ride, man. You guys don't even understand, man. 800 to 1,000 horsepower, man.
Stage 1 drives like a stock car, just has some more power.
Definitely. You guys gonna see. You guys gonna see. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, this car is crazy. This car is crazy. Oh my god. Oh man. This car goes, man. I'm telling you, this car goes. Crazy part about it is, man, we're just doing the speed limit. Like, oh, and we see a cop. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. We're not doing anything, sir. We're just, you know, law-abiding citizens. That's all.
Get the cop?
Yeah. Oh, man. I thought we were going to jail. I thought we were going to jail. Wait, is he coming? Go, 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 go. Yeah, he ain't catching us. He ain't catching us. Woo. Oh man. Yeah, I think we going. I think we going. Woo, baby. Let's go. This car, man. This car is insane. Man, this car is insane. I'm telling you. It just eats the corners up, man. I'm telling you, eats the corners up like no other car, man. It almost feels like a video game. I'm telling you guys. Yes, sir. Car goes, it goes. I'm telling you guys, it's insane. Oh my god, man. Yo, this car is too fast, man. Definitely. So I'm like, yo, this car is crazy. This is stupid. It is stupid, man. Woo. You guys don't even understand, man. We're all doing the speed limit. We're doing the speed limit too. We're not even going that fast, trust me. We're in Mexico anyway, so you know what I'm saying? Car is insane. Man, you thought about getting a twin turbo Lambo? Go get one, man. You drive these all day, man. I'm telling you, it's just too much fun. No, we're coming up on some traffic. If you guys can see that. Coming up on some traffic, but it's all good. Woo. Downshifts of this thing is insane, man. Insane. Nothing like it, bro. Nothing like it, man. Nothing like it.
So, what'd you think about the Stage 1 car?
Man, it's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Stage 1, man, it's more than enough for the street. This guy just like, yeah. Stage 1, man, for this car, man, just the V10 platform is insane, man. Like, it's the bang for the buck. You got enough power for the street. 90% of cars can't even keep up with you. So like you chilling, man. You was chilling. Like honestly, you don't need much more than that.
You just cruise around with this thing.
Yeah, man, all day. Woo. And you still get that twin turbo V10 spool. Nothing beats it. Seriously, nothing beats it.